In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use Affirm on Seatgeek. If you've ever found the perfect seats but wished you could spread out the cost, this walkthrough is for you. Affirm lets you pay over time right at checkout on Seatgeek, and the whole process only takes a few minutes. I'll guide you through each part and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by browsing Seatgeek and choosing the tickets you want. Use the seat map and filters to lock in the section, row, and price that fit your plans. Take a moment to review the event date, venue, and the total cost shown, including any fees, so there are no surprises later. When you're happy with your selection, add the tickets to your cart. Head to checkout and select Affirm as your payment method. You'll see it listed alongside other options. Picking Affirm here tells Seatgeek you want to split your purchase into payments rather than paying the full amount up front. Next, enter the information Affirm requests to run a quick real-time eligibility check. This usually only takes a moment. Make sure your details are accurate and match your official information, and keep an eye on any prompts that appear. If Affirm needs additional verification, follow the on-screen instructions. Staying within the checkout keeps everything smooth and secure. Once the check is complete, you'll see the available payment plans. Carefully review each option, noting the number of payments, the due dates, and any interest or fees that may apply. Some plans may offer a 0% option, while others could include interest, so compare the total cost, not just the monthly amount. Pick the plan that best fits your budget and schedule. If you prefer predictability, look for fixed monthly payments with clear due dates. If you like flexibility, see whether a shorter plan reduces overall cost. After you've chosen your plan and you're approved, confirm your purchase to complete the order. Seatgeek will finalize your tickets, and you should receive a confirmation email from Seatgeek, plus details from Affirm about your payment schedule. Keep those messages handy so you can track your upcoming payments. And that's it. You can now buy Seatgeek tickets and pay over time with Affirm. As a final tip, consider turning on reminders or autopay in your Affirm account so you never miss a due date. If something doesn't look right during checkout, refresh the page or retry the payment method selection and you'll be back on track quickly. Enjoy the event.